Temu, AliExpress, Shein, Amazon, Etsy are some of the e-commerce platforms that are known to house designs and images of creatives' artworks that are used and sold without the permission of the creators. So, what can you do to protect your creative work before it gets stolen? You can register the copyright to your work, which is a must if you have functional designs. In most countries, the moment you create something, you hold the copyright for that artwork. But if your art gets stolen and you have to face a legal case, you will stand on stronger grounds if you have registered the copyright to your artworks. The process can be different based on where you live, but if you live in the US, you can turn to the US Copyright Office and register with them, and even if you don't live there, so go to their website and look into that option. Now, I said that you are automatically granted the copyright to your artwork at the moment of creation, but there is an exception. This doesn't happen with functional designs like jewelry or clothing or accessories. Copyright law only protects the creative portions of functional items. Now the problem is, what counts as the creative portion and how is that identified? Where does the functional part of a handmade earring end and where does the creative artistic portion start? Can be a very gray area legally speaking, so if you have functional designs, it might be the best option to copyright them anyway. A copyright notice can also help avoid the unauthorized use of your work. You have to make sure that it is visible enough and it is in close proximity to the image of the artwork, for example on your website, so everyone can see and understand which item the copyright notice applies to. A copyright notice should include the following information. The third thing you can do is to protect the images of your artwork. None of the image protection methods are bulletproof, but I like to assume that if you do something to protect your work, then at least you do something to make it harder for others to steal it. You can try these. For more creator business tips, go to thecreatorsdiary.com.